I've got some BMW news for you guys. So BMW has recently released the information for the brand new 2023 BMW XM. This thing is an absolute beast, a hybrid platform with the V8, very exclusive chassis, quite expensive as well. I'm going to walk you guys through the retail ordering guide for this vehicle in Canada. It does start with a base MSRP of $220,000. I'll walk you guys through what all that includes as well as the additional options. All right, let's get into the ordering guide.
Okay, so page 1 of the ordering guide, basically the things that are important here, start of production is going to be for December of 2022. We're now in December, so those vehicles are officially in production for their highest spec variants that are going to be coming out to the first dealerships. Now we'll move on to page 2 of the ordering guide, and this is where all the good information is. So we have a base MSRP of $220,000. Now including, there's going to be 6 no-charge paint options and 1 paint option available for an extra $1,000, which is Dravite Gray. So Carbon Black, Black Sapphire, Mineral White, Marina Bay Blue Metallic, Toronto Red, and Cape York Green are all going to be no-charge metallic paint options. No Alpine White non-metallic paint option as a standard. Everything is going to be metallic. As far as upholstery goes, we have 4 interior options. There's only one that's a no-charge with the base, which is the black merino leather. If you go to the orange merino, you're going to be a $1,900 charge, and for $4,900 you can get either the Silverstone or the Deep Lagoon with coffee leather, and that's going to be the one that you've been seeing in all of the advertising photos, all the launch photos. All of those photos are going to be the Deep Lagoon merino leather. Then after that, we're going to go into the individual options. There's no packages available on the XM. Everything is basically fully loaded with just a few additional things that you can add on. There's different wheel options that you can go from, ranging from $500 to $2,000. One of those is going to be the night gold option burnish that you see in the launch photos as well. Then you have some different brake caliper options, either between the dark blue or the red versus the standard black that comes with the vehicle. You can also go for Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround System, and that's going to be over top of the standard Bowers & Wilkins Surround System. So the Diamond Sound System is the upgrade for $5,500. The high gloss black exterior content is a $1,500 option, and then the rest of them are just no charge options that are going to be basically applied depending on the interior that you go with. Those are just going to be standard. They're kind of like redundant codes showing up down at the bottom here. Now the rest of the ordering guide is just going to go through listing off all of these standard features that are part of the BMW XM. The M Sport differential, the sports transmission, tire pressure monitoring system. Then we move into the next page of full list. So adaptive M suspension, alarm system, garage door opener, comfort door access, soft closed doors, limited kidney grills, all that good stuff that on pretty much all their BMW models, their added equipment are all going to be standard on the XM. We have another page full of standard equipment, so driving assistant professional, head-up display with augmented reality, parking assistant, drive recorder, all of that is going to be there. And then on the next page, we'll get into a little bit more standard features, those last little things with the active cruise control, stop and go, and then we get into what the wheel option looks like. So standard 22-inch rim, and then upgraded $500 for another 22-inch rim in a different color option. Every single one is going to be with the performance non-run flat tires. Actually, it looks like the $500 package option is for sport non-run flat tires, when it's actually the same wheel option, just a different tire. And then you have the 23-inch wheel options, which are all $2,000 option. Now it looks like there's 2 23-inch wheel options. One's going to be jet black, and one's going to be jet black with the night gold. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not quite sure what the sport tires are. All other vehicles, we either have all seasons, we would have performance, or we would have track tires. So I'm not sure what level those sport tires are referring to.
I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys appreciate this BMW content, please smash the like button on this video, as it does help me with YouTube's algorithm. If you guys are in the Toronto marketplace and you're interested in ordering this BMW or any other BMW, feel free to reach out to me. I have my email down below, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for future BMW content, and I'll see you guys on the next video.